Who initiates probate when there is no will? If you have a last will and testament, likely someone is nominated to serve as executor or even an alternate executor. So let's say you're married, you say, I nominate my spouse to serve as the executor. If he or she are unavailable, then I appoint, let's say, one of my kids or something like that. But when there is no last will and testament, you don't have that. So who is to initiate probate proceedings? First, you have to make sure probate is needed. Watch our other educational videos on that. But let's say probate is needed. You go to the bank or someone tells you, hey, you have to file for probate. Who is the person who goes to an attorney or who starts filing for probate on their own? Well, the law provides a priority list, which looks like this. If you are married, likely your spouse will be the one filing for probate. If you have kids, maybe your kids. If you are, let's say you're not married and you don't have kids, or maybe your kids are estranged and they don't know or they don't want to deal with it, your parents may be the next one in lines, and other family members, and so on. Sometimes, not very often, but even creditors can file for probate. So let's say you have a big creditor out there, or such as, let's say, a loan that you have taken out, or maybe medical bills. Even creditors can initiate probate. If your family is not around or no one goes about to do it, then a creditor can go to court and file a petition for probate. If, let's say, we have a couple and one of the spouses passes, then can the kids initiate probate if the other spouse is not able to or is unwilling to deal with it? Yes, the kids can initiate and hopefully get the spouse to sign a release saying, yes, kids, you can go ahead and file for probate, you can serve as personal representative. Basically, the spouse would be waiving his or her right to the priority list. Or let's say you are not married, but you have 3 kids. Which one of the kids can file for probate? Well, any of them could. Ideally, they get along and they agree on one. And again, let's say you have 3 kids, the other 2 waive their right to the 3rd person. Sometimes if, let's say, again, you have 3 kids, people may fight over it. And that's when you each get an attorney and you go in front of a judge, and a judge will have to appoint someone, or even maybe appoint co-personal representative, 2 people serving at the same time. I hope this video answers some of your questions. If you have any other questions, please email me with topics for videos, or watch our other educational videos. There are lots of them out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notifications when a new video is posted. And please consider joining us, if you're local, to our in-person educational events. Thank you for watching.